This is first standard science 13th chapter. The name of the chapter is We Need Water. See children, in this chapter we are going to learn about the need of water. All the living beings need air and water to survive, isn't it? In this chapter we are going to learn about the sources of water, uses of water, how to save water, how we are making water as our enemy, how to store water. These are all we are going to learn in this chapter. Let us learn one by one. Like air, living beings need water to survive. Earth can support life only because it has water on it. We need water to stay alive. That is why we feel thirsty. When our body needs water, we must carry a water bottle whenever we go out. We should drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. We should drink clean water. Dirty water can make us sick. Sea water is salty. It is not fit for drinking. Plants need water too. If they do not get water, they will die. When we water the plants, the roots take in water. It is sent to other parts of the plant. Animals also need water. They drink water. They also breathe in water. Many animals live in water. See children, as I said, like air, water also essential, means important for all the living beings to survive, isn't it? Only the earth can support the living beings to survive on the earth. We need water to stay alive, isn't it? We feel thirsty. Whenever we feel thirsty, we have to drink water. Our body needs water. Whenever we go outside, we must carry water. We have to drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. Then we have to drink clean water also. Why we have to drink clean water? Because if we drink dirty water, means dirty water can make us sick. Sea water also we cannot drink because it will be salty. It is not fit for the drinking purpose, isn't it? Human beings also need water, and also plants also need water, and animals also need water. Why do the plants need water? Plants need water to grow. If they do not get water, they will die, isn't it? Whenever that we water the plants, that roots will take in water and it is sent to other parts of the plant. Like plants, animals also need water. They drink water whenever they feel thirsty. Some animals, they breathe in water. Which are the animals that breathe in water? Can you give the example? They are fish, crocodile, tortoise and all, isn't it? Many animals lives in water also. Let us learn about the sources of water. Rain is the main source of water. The other sources of water are: mountains have snow. This snow melts and the water comes down as rivers. During the rainy season, rainwater fills rivers, lakes, ponds, etc. See children, let us learn about the sources of water. Rain is the main source of water. Which are the other sources of water? Mountain have snow, isn't it? Whenever that snow melts, that water comes down as a river. During the rainy season, rainwater fills the rivers, lakes and ponds, etc. Okay, next, other sources of water are: river water is filtered and sent to homes through pipes. People living in villages use hand pumps and wells to get water. This water is not clean and should be boiled before drinking. Clean water is very important for the health of humans, animals, and plants also. Dirty water causes many health problems and diseases. See, children, river water, no, that is filtered and sent to the homes through pipes. And in the villages, no, people who are living in the villages, no, they use hand pumps and wells to get the water. But hand pumps and this well water will not be clean, and they have to boil and should drink. Okay. Clean water is very important for the health of human beings and animals also, and also plants also. Because of the dirty water, it causes for many health problems and diseases. Okay. Let us learn about the uses of water. Water is used for many things. Water is used for drinking, water is used for cleaning, water is used for cooking, water is used for washing clothes, water is used for bathing, water is used for brushing teeth, water is used to put out fire, water is used for agriculture. Let us learn about the uses of water. Why do we need water? Water is used for many things. As you know, water is used for useful for drinking also, and for cleaning, and for cooking also, and we use water for washing clothes also, and we use water for bathing, brushing teeth, and whenever that fire catches, no, we use water to put off the fire, isn't it? And other than that, we need water for agriculture, isn't it?